the foundation of healing communication and trust. Betrayal can shatter the very foundation of a relationship, leaving behind a trail of pain, anger, and confusion. Rebuilding trust after betrayal is a challenging but possible journey. It demands open and honest communication, a willingness to confront difficult emotions, and a shared commitment to healing. The first step in this process is to acknowledge the pain caused by the betrayal. Both partners need to express their feelings openly and honestly without resorting to blame or accusations. The betrayed partner needs to feel heard and validated, while the partner who betrayed needs to understand the depth of the hurt they have caused. Effective communication is crucial. This means truly listening to each other, trying to understand the other person's perspective and validating their feelings. Using I statements can help to express feelings without blaming. For example, instead of saying, "You made me feel terrible," try, "I felt hurt and betrayed when..." Building a solid foundation for healing requires establishing clear needs and expectations. Both partners need to feel safe and secure in the relationship. This involves setting healthy boundaries, respecting each other's limits, and being accountable for one's actions. For more insights on rebuilding relationships, subscribe to the Mind Detective channel. Navigating the path to forgiveness. Forgiveness is often seen as the cornerstone of rebuilding trust after betrayal. However, forgiveness is a deeply personal process that cannot be rushed or forced. It's important to remember that forgiveness is not about condoning the betrayal, but about releasing the grip of anger and resentment. The journey towards forgiveness begins with acknowledging your own pain and anger. Allow yourself to feel these emotions without judgment. Bottling them up will only hinder the healing process. Remember that forgiveness is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. There may be setbacks along the way. Moments of anger and resentment may resurface. These are natural parts of the healing journey. Forgiving someone who has betrayed you is a powerful act of self-care. It allows you to move forward without carrying the weight of anger and resentment. It doesn't excuse the betrayal, but it allows you to heal and grow. Rebuilding trust through actions. While words are important, actions speak louder in the process of rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust requires consistent effort, transparency, and accountability from the partner who betrayed. This means following through on commitments, being open about whereabouts and activities, and being fully present in the relationship. Small, consistent actions can go a long way in demonstrating trustworthiness and rebuilding the foundation of the relationship. Transparency and accountability are key. The partner who betrayed needs to be willing to answer questions honestly and openly, even if it's uncomfortable. They also need to be accountable for their actions and take responsibility for the pain they caused. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort from both partners. It's not about forgetting the past, but about learning from it and creating a stronger, healthier relationship. Section 4. Reconnecting and rebuilding, a shared journey. Rebuilding a relationship after betrayal isn't just about addressing the hurt. It's also about reconnecting and rediscovering the love that brought you together in the first place. This involves making a conscious effort to spend quality time together, engage in shared hobbies, and create new positive memories. Reminiscing about happy memories from the past can be a powerful tool for reconnection. It reminds you both of the strong foundation your relationship was built on and why you fell in love in the first place. Planning a future together, setting shared goals, and working towards them as a team can foster a sense of hope and shared purpose. It demonstrates a commitment to building a stronger, healthier future together. Remember that rebuilding intimacy takes time and effort. Be patient with yourselves and with each other. Celebrate small victories along the way and don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Section 5. Cultivating hope, moving forward together. Healing from betrayal is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of learning, growing, and rediscovering each other. It's about choosing to move forward together, stronger and more connected than before. Remember that forgiveness is a process, not a destination. Allow yourselves the time and space to heal at your own pace. Be patient with each other, practice empathy, and focus on rebuilding trust through consistent actions. Don't be afraid to seek professional support. A therapist can provide a safe and neutral space for you to process your emotions and develop healthy communication skills. Betrayal can be a turning point in your relationship, It can be an opportunity to address underlying issues, improve communication, and build a stronger, more resilient bond. Choose to approach the healing process with hope, commitment, and a shared vision for a brighter future together.